Good morning, welcome to CupO'Forex. This is David Frank with your daily video analysis for Thursday, October 23rd. Let's get started as we have yet another busy day. And the busy days are going to go throughout this week, to the end of this week, to Friday, and pick up again next week too. As you can see, we have a lot of high impacting data crossing our calendar over the next several days. China started us off today, releasing their HSBC manufacturing PMI, which came out at a 3-month high, printing at 50.40. And the Asian markets shrugged it off. And they're trading lower today. We have a slowdown in commodity prices, especially in oil, which is impacting equities markets. We'll get into that a little bit more when we look at our technical analysis for today. Later on this morning at 7 a.m. GMT, we'll get manufacturing PMI from Italy, expecting that to print in a little bit lower, as well as manufacturing PMI from Germany 30 minutes later. We're expecting that to print lower than expected. The entire European Union, the entire EU, is mired in an economic slowdown, as well as deflationary pressures on the euro. So we're not expecting these numbers to come in strong. They should either print at this lower mark or come in a little bit lower. Later on this afternoon at 12:30 GMT, the United States jumps into the fold with its initial jobless claims. We're expecting that to come out a little bit higher at 282,000 new initial jobless claims for the month. I don't think it'll even meet this mark. We should get it a lower reading, as we've seen a labor market in the United States firming up. We'll be watching this number. Later on this afternoon at 14:30 GMT, the Bank of Canada Governor, Mr. Polos, will be giving a speech. We'll be listening to that as well. That takes care of today's economic data. Let's jump into some technical analysis. All right, let's get started with our technical analysis. Like I mentioned, oil has been on a downturn. We're pushing towards $70 a barrel, and we're continuing to fall in crude oil. This has been affecting companies like ExxonMobil and other oil giants across the world. As you can see, ExxonMobil has been in a definite downtrend over the last, going back to around June 30th, June 25th, June 25th, around there. As you can see, we try to recover when we hit the bottom of this medium-term trend line, and we did recover a little bit. We broke above the upper boundary, and now we see a bearish candle forming once again, and we're back below the upper barrier of this downtrend. Expect to test towards 91.75 over the next few days. If not, seeing a little bit of a bearish session today. Next up, I want to take a look at a Forex pair. Let's take a look at the euro dollar. We have reversed course once again. We met some serious technical resistance up near 1.2850. As you can see here with the dark cloud cover forming, and we've since pushed back lower. We are now eyeing the support levels going towards 1.250. Lastly, I would like to take a look at gold. Gold has lost some steam. We bounced up against a 55-day moving average, and since then we bounced up against a level at 1250, which is supported by the 55-day moving average here. We can see a bearish candlestick forming here, and we're starting to turn our directions, our eyes towards the support levels at 1238.30, 1238.50. It will be the next small support level. A break below that would be a little bit on the bearish side. So let's take a look at gold as we're starting to lose steam there. I want to thank everyone for listening today. As always, click in the upper right-hand corner to join our YouTube channel. Have a wonderful day trading. We'll chat again tomorrow.